This was what we saw on TV, wasn't it, Ted? Hello.
Next time it's full. So we'll go next time.
Hello. Why don't they
There you are. Look at these
I'm not talking.
Hello, parrots. Look. Aren't they fabulous?
I think one said hello.
Did it say hello? Shall I take a photograph? I think I will.
No, I don't think so, no.
Why?
Well, it doesn't say you can. Look at that bird as well.
Look at this. There we go. Talk to that one.
Can you go up these?
Yeah, if you want to go up and watch that.
They're
Not steps, that's the seats.
Yeah.
Goes.
Oh, he's talking to you, isn't he, Timmy? Hello.
Hello.
Shall I go with you? Look, he's walking.
Strange eyes.
He's called a cockatoo and they live in Australia sometimes. Oh look, he's coming down the hill. Sliding down. Oh, here he is. Look, Ted. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's a magnificent bird. Isn't he?
Look, Mummy, look at this garden.
Oh,
This is a lovely garden, isn't
look at it. See this lovely bird here, look, Timmy.
Look. Isn't that lovely?
Look at this garden now.
Well, I don't know.
Come on, strong King.
I'm not sure. Probably. Well, I'm not sure, Timmy.
No.
Don't know whether he might.
Oh, yes.
No,
Perhaps you
maybe
don't.
try and
I
eat
don't
you.
think you
Not
do.
eat you, but peck you.
Might peck you. Hello. Might go peck on your hand.
So that goes then.
Have you looked at the garden, Grandma?
Oh, shall we look at this garden? Oh, that's a beautiful circly garden.
Oh, look, down here, Daddy. That's a nice place with water.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There's guinea pigs in there.
There's a church.
Where?
That's probably the schools and houses, isn't it? The teacher.
But yeah. But there's the house, and that's like the sheds.